Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get Duolingo promo code for the month of October. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search your Duolingo promo for October. So search here Duolingo promo October. Okay. And then you need to select any website, so I'm going to open this one. So here you can see that promo codes you find different. Click on show promo code. You simply need to copy. Once you copy that, click on use at duolingo.com. So this website will be open. So click on get started, select the language that you want to learn, and when you proceed further you have an option to use that promo code. You can use that promo code where you have an option to use that. So click on others, for example, others. Okay, so continue, and you need to sign up, and after that you can easily use the promo code. So this is a process by which you can get your Lingo promo code. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.